Introducing the PHI LIPS 3200 series fully automatic espresso machine. A coffee lover's dream come true. This sleek and efficient espresso machine promises to bring the cafe experience right to your home. With its impressive range of features, from silky smooth milk frothing to customizable grinding levels, it's designed to deliver the perfect cup of coffee, tailored to your taste, all while ensuring durability and ease of maintenance. In this review, we'll delve into the details of what makes this espresso machine a standout choice for coffee enthusiasts and those seeking exceptional brewing quality. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Performance and quality. One of the standout features of this espresso machine is its ability to deliver a perfect in-cup result with minimal hassle and time. The LatteGo system is a game changer when it comes to frothing milk, creating a silky smooth layer of froth for your beverages. It achieves this by mixing milk and air at high speed, resulting in a splash-free, creamy layer of froth at just the right temperature. The 12-step grinder levels allow you to customize your coffee grind to suit your preferences, from ultra-fine powder to coarser grindings. This level of control ensures that you can enjoy your coffee just the way you like it, with the perfect balance of aroma, flavor, and crema in every cup. The aroma extract system intelligently maintains the brewing temperature and water flow rate, ensuring that your coffee consistently tastes delicious. Whether you prefer a hot espresso or a milder coffee, this machine has you covered. Number 2. Durability and longevity. The inclusion of durable ceramic grinders ensures that this espresso machine is built to last. These grinders are capable of handling at least 20,000 cups of coffee, extracting the best aroma and flavor from your beans. This longevity is a testament to the quality of the materials used in the construction of the machine. Number 3. Ease of use and maintenance. Cleaning is a breeze with this espresso machine. The LatteGo milk system consists of just 2 parts, without any hidden tubes or complex components. This simplicity means that you can clean it in as little as 15 seconds under the tap or in the dishwasher, making maintenance a hassle-free experience. Additionally, the AquaClean filter reduces the need for descaling, allowing you to enjoy up to 5,000 cups before any descaling is necessary. The fully removable brew group can be rinsed under the tap for thorough cleaning. Number 4. Convenience and features. The aroma seal keeps your coffee beans fresh for longer, preserving their original aroma and reducing grinder noise. Plus, the dishwasher safe parts, including the milk system, drip tray, and coffee ground container, add to the overall convenience of this machine. With its easy-to-use touch buttons, you can effortlessly make aromatic coffee varieties like espresso, coffee, cappuccino, and latte macchiato. The LatteGo system tops milk-based beverages with silky smooth froth, further enhancing your coffee experience. Dimensions. Product dimensions are 17 inches depth by 9.6 inches width by 14.6 inches height. Specifications. Take a moment to look at the specifications. Pause if you'd like to read them thoroughly. Pros and cons. 4 reasons to buy. Versatile coffee brewing options. High-speed LatteGo system for silky smooth milk froth. 12-step grinder levels for customized coffee grind. Aroma extract system for consistent coffee quality. 1 reason not to buy. Relatively high initial purchase price. Conclusion. The PHI LIPS 3200 series fully automatic espresso machine is a top-notch appliance that brings convenience, customization, and longevity to your coffee brewing experience. Whether you're a passionate coffee connoisseur or simply enjoy a daily cup of joe, this machine is a worthy addition to your kitchen, promising to elevate your coffee game to new heights. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.